You don't see me doing this that often, but I'm gonna bake today. I'm going to make some chocolate buns. At least I'm going to attempt to make chocolate buns. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. I have here 400 grams of whole wheat flour prepared. Now we're just gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Add here some water, some milk, add our yeast, some coconut oil, vanilla paste, some sugar. Now let's mix everything. Okay, usually when I bake vegan because it feels like it's easier. I think the dough is just way too wet and I don't have more flour to add in here. And let's see how this is gonna turn out. I don't think I will be able to knead this into little buns. Maybe I just make one giant bun. I told you, when I do something with baking, it never turns out the way how I want it. I'm gonna add some chocolate chip. I will let it sit for 30 minutes and then let's see what happened. After half an hour, the dough looked like this. I added a little bit of sugar on top. And let me see if I can knead it now. Yeah, I think it's just way too wet to knead it. That was really just too wet. I think it's gonna become one big bun instead of like 5 different buns. I'll spread a mixture of milk and coconut oil on here. Alright, now we're going to the oven for 20 minutes. I forgot this has to rest for another 30 minutes. After half an hour it looks like this, and then I'm gonna put it into the oven. It's one big chocolate bun. As I already thought, it won't turn into 5 separate buns. But now I have like one big bun. Yes, it's just one giant chocolate bun. It was supposed to be 5 chocolate buns, like round, but now I just have like a cake. But still, we want to give it a taste test. It has a bun texture, it just doesn't look like a bun. Mời cả nhà. It's actually not that bad. Not dry at all. Anyhow, that was my try to make 5 chocolate buns. How it turns out, but it is fluffy and moist. Just doesn't look like a bun.